without the travel.
Okay, let's play this out.
Maverick, macho, modest.
Tell me especially.
Fully able equal.
Sir, can I have 2 minutes with you?
I'm not interested. Do you know what time it is?
I have come to make you an offer you can't refuse.
Maybe you can pitch it to me some other time.
We have a box for you. A box that can take you to places you've never been to. The moment you press this button, you will be given 1 crore rupees. Are you interested?
Is this some kind of a game show? Will you give me the money right away?
Right now, sir. But there is one condition. The moment you press the button, someone you don't know will die. At that moment.
I'm not into any of this. Please leave.
I hope you reconsider the proposal. The moment you press the button, the money is yours. We'll be waiting.
आनंद
या
ये डब्बा बाहर क्या कर रहा है?
ओ वो डब्बा एक्चुअली कल रात को ना एक बहुत ही फनी लुकिंग टकला सा आदमी आया था एंड ही ऑफर्ड मी दैट डब्बा और उसने कहा कि उस डब्बे पर जो बटन है उसे मैं दबाऊं तो मुझे 1 करोड़ रुपए दे देगा.
क्या?
या
What happened then?
नथिंग. आई टुक द ऑफर, आई प्रेस्ड द बटन एंड ही गेव मी 1 करोड़. वो बाहर वाले कबर्ड में ही है, चेक करो.
आनंद नहीं बताना है मत बताओ. ये कबाड़ नहीं चाहिए घर पे.
Baba, I'm serious, Kavita. He did come last night. And he said all that. और उसने और एक बहुत ही ज़रूरी बात कही.
क्या?
उसने कहा कि अगर मैं वो बटन दबाता हूँ, if at all, then somebody I don't know will die.
What?
And after that he left.
But I don't get this.
You don't need to. You just take care of yourself. अपनी दवाई टाइम पे लेना, okay? You are resuming work from next week, okay? Don't forget your medicines. And one more thing. Just don't touch that, okay?
It's really strange. But I won't say it's not possible. Anything can happen.
You know what? I was almost tempted to press that button last night. But somehow the very fact that it could kill someone, it just freaks me out.
It's not even someone you know. How does it matter?
It matters because I become responsible for someone's death.
आनंद कह रहा था कोई रात को आया था. ये डब्बा देखे गया, कहा इस बटन को दबाओगे तो 1 करोड़ मिलेगा.
Wow. दबा दूं?
No! He also said something about if you press this button, someone you don't know will die.
And you actually believe in all this shit? So easily you guys could fall into such a trap. क्या पता इसमें कोई बॉम्ब या कुछ हो?
But so many people die every day. If one more dies, what difference does it make to you?
I know. But no one is dying out there because I am pressing a godforsaken button.
But see what you get in return.
It's not about the money all the time, Nidhi.
It's not about 1 crore all the time. That is, of course, what we are talking about is actually true.
It's a good April Fool's joke. I can't believe we wasted so much time on this stupid box.
कम से कम बॉम्ब तो नहीं है.
अरे यार पैसा भी तो नहीं है.
पैसे तो बटन दबाने से ही मिलेंगे ना.
Hello? Have you really started to believe in this? My God, you've actually started believing in this?
I'm just wondering, like 1 crore rupees. And if it's true, then what do I stand to lose?
If it is true, then going by your logic, anybody can die. So an innocent child somewhere can die. Fuck, forget it. Why are we even getting into this?
Because it's a lot of money, Aparna. I mean, getting 1 crore just by pressing one stupid button, it's not a bad idea.
I can't believe it, Kavita, you're saying this. I mean, one life and 1 crore rupees. What is worth more to you? Why are we getting into this as if this stupid box really works?
From office to home, via Nirvana. The all-new Hyundai Sonata. Transform. Elevate.
एयरसेल की दुनिया में बहुत और that's a very positive shot by
साधना और अनेक बाहू की वजह से रागनी और रणवीर जी को क्या क्या सहना पड़ रहा है, कभी ये हादसा कभी वो।
नया टीवी सीरियल है, यू सीन इट अर्लियर? अच्छा, वो बॉक्स का है कहाँ?
टेबल के पास.
What do I see here?
What?
ये पूरी तरह से खुला है. Who opened it?
Aparna had come, so she.
Aha, so Aparna came and she just felt like opening it. Did she press the button?
No, I didn't let her.
Great. Okay.
She had a point.
But
though.
point, क्या point था?
Bomb भी हो सकता है.
I had a point when I told you that no one is supposed to touch it, not even you, and you let Aparna
हाँ, so
tamper around
yeah,
with it.
so it could be a bomb too, no?
It could be a bomb. That's a great idea. Did you find a bomb inside?
Well, I didn't find the money either.
Oh, if it was money, then it would have been no problem.
Well,
but a bomb. नहीं, क्या? When I'm telling something, I want myself to be taken seriously. मैं कह रहा हूँ इसको नहीं छूना है, जिसको नहीं छूना है. अगर इसको कोई छूने वाला है इस बटन को, तो मैं हूँ. I'm going to press it.
No, we are not.
No, we are not. I'm going to. Just give me one moment here, okay, Kavita. Let's assume that whatever that man said, that bald man, could be true.
What?
नहीं, मानने में क्या जा रहा है?
Have you gone out of your
नहीं,
mind?
even if it's a joke, let's take the joke seriously, yeah? Like April Fool, huh?
Are you crazy?
It's not about being crazy. You anyways think it's a joke. There was nothing. There was no bomb. No. Then if it's a joke, I want to play that joke. Okay? And if you or Aparna or anyone in the world has a problem with it, I don't care.
Anand,
नहीं.
if it is true, as you're saying
हाँ.
it is, किसी की लाइफ भी तो जा सकती है ना?
किसी की लाइफ जा सकती है तो, but this is somebody I don't know. That's the best part. You didn't get the
कोई
catch.
तो जानता है उसको.
कोई जानता है, उससे मैं क्या करूं यार? दुनिया में कितने लोग मर रहे हैं, तुमने टीवी पे देखा?
हमारी वजह से मर रहे हैं वो.
अरे आज ही कार एक्सीडेंट होते होते बच गया. तो कितने भी लोग कहीं भी मर सकते हैं. I don't care.
आनंद, वो हमारी वजह से मर
But
रहा
do I
है.
know them? They could be Tom, Dick, Harry.
So?
1 crore, you know 1 crore. कितने zeros है पता है? How much?
पैसा ज्यादा important है.
It's not about being. It's that one moment, just pressing of the
Are
button.
you? Have you gone out of your mind
I
here,
am not,
Anand?
I'm talking logic. I'm talking logic.
You're not talking
अगर रात
logic.
को- Then, अच्छा, what do you want me to do? You want me to throw this box?
Yes.
It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Sorry.
No, just please let your friend come
even
and
if
take
it's
this.
an empty box, he's not my friend first of all, and he will
What
be my
if-
friend if he gives me 1 crore.
Anand.
I have no problem. Listen, this is.
What?
I'm going to do what I want to do, and no one's going to stop me. No force in the world, and you better watch me press this fucking button.
Then go ahead, press it.
Okay.
Press
Okay,
it. Go
okay,
ahead.
just watch me.
Yeah, press it.
सोने जा. Once and for all, मैं इस को ठिकाने पे लगा रहा हूँ.
It was a pleasure dealing with you. Here's your 1 crore rupees.
Does that mean someone?
Yes. Someone died. That was the deal. I want my box back.
Hang on. What are you going to do with that box?
It will go to someone you don't know.